I would like to welcome you all to participate in our third international conference on tourism, business, and entrepreneurship research 2022. One of the things which the COVID 19 pandemic has taught us is the realization of the importance of virtual platforms and the connectivity which can be built through them. This time, the format of our conference is distinctively based on 11 in person sessions and one virtual session. I will be heading and hosting the virtual session. So, all the interested academics and researchers from all over Pakistan and across the world, if you're unable to join us in person, we are facilitating you to participate and discuss your ideas and knowledge and the development in the field of your research with each other and build up the connectivity through our virtual platform.